girl in town.
Футболер? Оно што шутира. Да, голови. Коста звани гроф на шанте.
Rebeca, ¿cuál me estás sintiendo?
Ребека.
Kako se vika ovaj tim?
Македонија.
Pa to je sveto ime, bе, mameto vaše! Потулнете се да не го брукате.
Бие лоша клас, дека увек губите.
Ускоро ќе добиеме професионален тренер. Рудолф Шпиц, бивш пруски нападач.
Alvin Tango. Rechtes Bein, linkes Bein.
Црпнат ме збори дека тајно се гледаш со тој гангстер.
Елец футболиста, папа.
Када колодрика, а бола сунидо.
Еска Менора за късмет на клуб, който ще играе в Националната лига.
Поздрав към знамената.
Го избрка Шпиц. Мршав погана.
Македонския етнически хаос ще бъде отстранен от вашите музиканти.
It's been nice knowing you, man.
I can do everything on my own.
See ya!
Bye. I don't think we figured in his day at all.
Hey there, Aaron.
Is it true you didn't tell anyone where you were going? Oops.
Welcome to Who Wants to Be a Millionaire?
Are you ready? Yes. Are you nervous?
Is the right answer!
Can you still see the light?
Yeah!
It's all psychological. You yell barracuda. Everybody says, huh? What? You yell shark. We've got a panic on our hands on the 4th of July.
Is it true that most people get attacked by sharks in 3 feet of water, about 10 feet from the beach? Yeah.
What we are dealing with here is a perfect engine, an eating machine.
We're not only going to have to close the beach, we're going to have to hire somebody to kill the shark.
Bad fish. Can't catch it.
By order of the governor of the Warsaw district, will be created a Jewish district in which all Jews will have to reside.
You must get away at once. I'm not leaving. Gotta take my chances here.
But I have to keep moving here. The Germans are hunting down indiscriminately now.
Keep as quiet as possible. No one knows you're here. I want to help. I want to do something. Don't let them get you alive.
If you prick us, do we not bleed? If you tickle us, do we not laugh? If you poison us, do we not die? And if you wrong us, shall we not revenge?
Mitya! Mitya! Još ne sviće rujna zora, još ne trepni,
ja ti više doći neću,
udalek sve,
tražit ću sreću.
ne čuje.
Neprijateljska druga armija, raspoređena u Sremu i Banatu, bombarduje Beograd i Obrenovac. Ja kažem da će glavni udar preko Drine. Ljudi su umorni, gospodine pukovniče. Uprkos velikog zamora, naređujem pokret na Cer. Više ne naređujem ja, naređuje Srbija.
Marš na Drinu.
Let's beat him, Jimmy! He won't mind! Come on, let's take his shirt off! They're getting up to these dead guys. Maybe they won't eat the rest of us. Cortez! Name 3 man groups, M1 right!
Sir, CNN's reporting a light civil aircraft has just hit the World Trade Center.
Man, that's a lot of smoke. We got another one. We got another hijack?
United 175 dropped his transponder off.
Got a possible hijack. Weapons. Scramble those fighters in over Manhattan. Copy that.
We've reached our cruising altitude of 35,000 feet, and I'm going to turn the fasten seatbelt sign off. You are safe to move about the cabin.
Descending rapid. This aircraft is going down, I'm telling you right now.
Here's one with juice for you.
No, there he is. There he is right there. He's right up the Hudson River.
This is a hijack. He's going to hit this guy. Oh!
Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
2 aircraft hit the World Trade Center. Just left Newark, the weather was beautiful.
Mother of God, no! Oh, shit!